What do you know? Just like that, go out there and search or Google crypto news. Yesterday, the day before, investors fearful, investors fretting, investors worried, Germany killing Bitcoin, Germany selling Bitcoin, crypto's over because Germany is selling. And just like that, the narrative has already changed. Guys, it's a very interesting concept. Okay, that investors were as fearful as they were, but I believe that fear is also being driven by mainstream media who does nothing but write about how fearful investors are when in fact, I was never scared of Germany selling off of some Bitcoin. You could see the market eating that Bitcoin right up. And that is exactly what they're going to do for Mt. Gox. But right now, if you go out there and Google crypto news, you're going to see a lot of good news. You're going to see the current administration here in the United States meeting with, I guess, advisors and lawmakers and regulatory leaders in the cryptocurrency space to create a better environment for crypto. Now, clearly they're doing this at this point in time. They did not want to do this at all during the last 3.5 years, but they're doing it now because, of course, their competition is pro-crypto. So let's talk about a little bit of that in this video, and we're also going to be going over the Wiener Dog AI pre-sale, because if you guys are looking for a token that is going to launch, possibly at the time when cryptocurrency investors are once again turning greedy, possibly at a time when the overall economic news is pointing to major bullish action, this is going to be it. There's only 19 days left. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Claybro, and as you can see, we've got Wiener Dog AI on the screen right now, and there's only 19 days left. Look, if you're going to make a decision on this one, you need to make it fast. Click the link in the description below, pull up this website, simply click on Connect Wallet. I like to use Wallet Connect, but you guys can do it however you want there, and determine how much you're going to want to buy. 1 Ethereum, you're walking away with 4.2 million Wiener Dog AI. Why would you want to buy this right now? Right? Cryptocurrency's down, isn't it? Bitcoin is down, Solana is down, Ethereum isn't. You guys get it. But it does rebound. Every single time we have seen a cryptocurrency market pullback, it has rebounded. Now, the current fear to greed index is still steady at a level of 40 today. It is right on the cusp of fear and neutrality. This will begin to tick back up as the price of these assets begin to tick back up. But let's talk about the overall macroeconomic outlook. Inflation here in the United States was a level of 3.3 on its previous reading. It is currently a level of 3. Even better than consensus was pointing towards at a level of 3.1. That could lead Jerome Powell to reduce interest rates. And if he does that, you better be ready for a boom. If you look at the current news in the cryptocurrency market, we're not being shrouded and fear-mongered anymore. We're being shown that, oh, well, you know what? Maybe the lawmakers are going to embrace crypto. Oh, well, you know what? Whatever the reasons are, if they can't keep up with the competition, right? If you can't beat them, join them. That's what we're seeing here. We've spent the last 3 years in an environment where the current SEC and the current administration in the United States attacked cryptocurrency as being one of the most illicit assets that you can own. Oh, how the narrative changes when the competition comes in and says, we're going to embrace it. We're going to generate innovation. We're going to create positivity in the cryptocurrency space. That's what we've got going on right now. So if that plays out, guys, if we start to see a shift towards innovation in the crypto space, if we continue to see inflation tick down and Jerome Powell actually say something good for once and lower the interest rates, we are going to see a surge in cryptocurrency prices. Now, it's not necessarily going to start with Wiener Dog AI. It's going to start with Bitcoin, Ethereum, the larger tokens out there. And then it's going to trickle down into the larger meme coins. And then it's going to trickle down into the smaller meme coins. And when it does, it's going to coincide with a fear to greed index that is increasing towards greed, potentially extreme greed. And when it reaches those levels, I can't tell you guys to sell, but holy smokes, I can wring your neck and tell you guys to sell. You know what I mean? It's still your decision. But every time the whale or institutional investors see this fear to greed index in fearful territory, they buy. They buy when there's blood in the street. They buy property when there's blood in the street. It doesn't mean they're buying blood in the street. And they go out there, and when others are fearful, they're greedy. And when others are greedy, they become fearful. And that is exactly the way that we should be looking at things. When investors are greedy and they are buying literally anything, meaning Wiener Dog AI, and causing this price to rip higher in value, then you can consider selling it. Then you can consider taking a massive profit. How much profit? Go watch some of the previous price prediction videos. But guys, they're expecting potentially 5 to 10x gains in Wiener Dog AI by the end of this year alone. About 20x gains by the end of 2025, which would coincide perfectly with the 4-year cycle of the bear to bull market. And then by 2030, when the new bull market is hitting, they're expecting 50 to 100x increases in the price of Wiener Dog AI. I think it's an incredible time to be a cryptocurrency investor. If you've suffered through the last 2 years of bear market, guess what? You are getting ready to be a major bull market player. The same way that we saw 2017 rip higher. Same way that we saw 2021 rip higher. We will see a retail FOMO entry into the cryptocurrency space. And I ask you, go take a look at what meme coins did. Hey, maybe they've died out since then, right? Maybe they didn't survive the bear market that came afterwards. But look how they reacted in 2021 when retail was greedy. When retail was buying anything. There was so much money to be made. It doesn't make sense, right? How much money there is to be made. You just simply have to be here. You have to be invested. And you have to take a chance. Let me know what you guys are doing down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.